Dogelon Mars at present exchanges close 0.0000650025 Dogelon Mars cost examination explicitly in a real sense is negative today in an all things considered significant way, which essentially is very critical. Elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, or so they certainly thought in a significant manner. The truly current exchanging volume of Dogelon Mars in a real sense is at $1,078,656 in a fundamentally truly significant manner. 30 November 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now, or for especially genuinely 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these oftentimes certainly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what is truly transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, ridiculously is Elon a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In any case, prior to jumping certainly profound into the Elon specialized examination, fundamentally let us in a real sense discuss the very sort of current economic situations, which really is genuinely huge. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,422,755,320,117, incredibly. The genuinely complete exchanging volume generally remains at $43,447,319,572, genuinely further appearance how Dogelon Mars as of now exchanges close 0.0000650025 Dogelon Mars cost examination in a real sense is negative today in a really significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in a fundamentally especially significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly truly is very critical, or so they thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the reasonably for the most part local coin of XRP in a real sense, explicitly is somewhere near 0.56 and presently exchanging at 60 cents, which certainly is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Solana came to $59.77 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.17% in esteem, or so they in every practical sense thought, or so they thought. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market really is going in a really descending bearing for most certainly present moment, decently extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, a kind of broad negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner incredibly. Dogelon Mars execution. The genuinely everyday graph of Dogelon Mars by and large in a real sense shows that the Elon value sort of truly has a kind of descending development with a 2.51% decline in especially beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious way in a significant manner. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon, coin in every way that really matters is remaining at $0.00000025 with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, which explicitly is very huge. Elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is drifting around $1,078,656 United States dollars in a significant manner, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Who basically explicitly are the organizers behind Dogelon Mars in an essentially significant manner. Very much like for the most part is the situation for its by and large genuinely more noticeable and certainly more settled cousins, the pioneers behind this essentially extremely specific canine coin, generally are obscure, which entirely is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. That all things considered, in every way that really matters, is generally an especially normal event for image coins, and financial backers truly are very much educated truly because of sort regarding in every way that really matters, an expected level of effort with mostly secret coins to try not to succumb to malignant practices like mat pulls and leave tricks. So, Elon especially has been available for kind of a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little in a reasonably in every practical sense, huge way. What explicitly makes Dogelon Mars one of a kind, or so they in every practical sense, thought. Dogelon Mars in a real sense utilizes a clever pretty by and large comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, or so they thought in a significant way. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his especially goes through the stars. Certainly a few kind of beautiful short comics basically are distributed on the coin site that in every practical sense follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he basically meets companions and goes on experiences in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't really have a guide fundamentally, yet rather fostered a dream form through its comics, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will explicitly need to battle for kind of endurance against the annihilators, especially exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. This fantasized variant recommends that once the coin for the most part is recorded on all genuinely beautiful significant trades, the cost of elon will explicitly reach Mars, or, in exceptionally different words, it will exchange at a very certainly much basically higher valuation, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nonetheless, annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could in a real sense be implied, will all things considered be an issue the local area will in every way that really matters in a real sense need to battle against, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours there sort of essentially was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,422,755,320,117 in an entirely enormous manner. By and by, elon in a real sense is an image coin without essentially much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Notwithstanding, taking into account it certainly has a powerful blend of especially a few exceptionally memeable credits in its title, Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars, Dogelon Mars could like quickly, if the for the most part in general digital currency market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments. Exhibiting that this fantasized rendition recommends that once the coin sort of is recorded on all truly sort of significant trades, the cost of elon will explicitly in every practical sense reach Mars, or, in truly different words, it will exchange at a sort of much genuinely higher valuation, which basically is very critical, which is very huge. How especially in every way that really matters, numerous Dogelon Mars, elon, coins explicitly generally are there available for use, pretty especially in spite of